Turn the knob to the media. Press the back button and turn the knob to the option. Press the knob on the Bluetooth audio device button once. First, delete the Bluetooth connection record of the original car. Press the knob once, select Connect from audio device. Remember the original car Bluetooth name, MB Bluetooth. Click the Bluetooth icon in the upper right corner. Click to search. Click MB Bluetooth. Click to return to Android. Click on Pair. Click on the original car. Knob selection, yes. Tap the screen with your finger to return to the Android system. Click on the music to test the sound.